This is Dr. Abdek. I am Chimthanawala. Now today I would like to share a case. In fact, I will tell you a symptom of a lady that came to me. She had a symptom of taking cold very easily, but she was not worried about that more. She told that whenever I get cold, sir, it exactly goes in my chest. थोड़ी भी सर्दी हुई मेरी छाती में कंजेशन होता है, बहुत ज़्यादा खांसी आती है, सांस फूलना शुरू हो जाती है, खरखर आवाज होना शुरू आती है. ऐसा मेरे को क्यों होता है? सब लोग को सर्दी होती है, बट मेरे को सर्दी सीधी निमोनिया के सिम्टम होना शुरू हो जाते हैं. That means she was telling, whenever I get cold, in no time I get coughing, rattling in the chest, pneumonia-like symptoms, difficulty in breathing. She was more worried about this symptom, that because of simple cold, which everybody gets for 1 or 2 days, it goes in my chest, and then I'm diseased. Then I have symptoms of cough and cold and pneumonia-like symptom and breathing problem for 15 to 20 days. Then I take some antibiotic, then I take some medicine, it is better. But I can again get symptoms of cough, coryza, then again the same symptom, and I have to take a course of antibiotics in at least 4 to 5 times in a year. So a normal cold for me becomes symptoms of pneumonia or symptoms in chest, coughing with mucus. So please treat that. I don't mind normal cold. सर्दी मुझे चलती है, ठीक है, तो चपट इसको यहाँ मत जान दीजिए, इसको अटका के रखिए यहाँ पे. Means I don't mind having coryza, but it should be here. It should not directly travel here. This was the symptom what the patient was trying to tell us. I said something else you can add, and she said, sir, I have a problem of headache also. Okay, I have headache, so much headache before and after menses. Whenever menses are going to come, I have severe headache. So I know the menses is going to come, and sometimes after menses also I have headache. So this is also a very irritating symptom for me, that is migraine. I said, how is the headache then? And she told that ऐसा लगता है तो ऐसी हथौड़े मार रहा है, खट खट खट. So she had sometimes pulsating headache and sometimes throbbing headache, which the modality was important. I told her, headache ठीक करने के लिए क्या करते हैं आप? What do you do to minimize your headache, or how does it feel better? And she had a very precise thing to tell me कि sir, what I do, I take iron, इस्त्री लेती हूँ, उस पर कपड़ा गर्म करती हूँ, फिर सर पे लगाती हूँ. So if I put something warm on my head, or when I switch off my fan and AC and the room becomes warm, my headache is better. Imagine a condition, a throbbing headache, a pulsating headache, which causes heat in the head, is better by warmth. But this is the magic of homeopathy, the symptom similarity. When the symptoms are unique, the case becomes unique and the drug becomes unique. I said something more about the coryza because you wanted to treat that, sir. She told one more symptom which is very unique to me. I said, what? And she told, जब भी मैं अंडे खाती हूँ, whenever I am eating eggs, उसके बाद भी मुझे सर्दी हो जाती है. इसलिए मैं अंडे नहीं खाती, बिकॉज मेरे को सर्दी हुई, फिर होती खांसी, फिर होता कफ, फिर सांस लेने को तकलीफ होती है. Means I don't like to eat eggs, because when I eat eggs I get coryza, then cough, then rattling in the chest, then pneumonia-like symptom, and then dyspnea feel. Because you know, when I have coryza, it goes very fast. So this was a symptom that the patient was telling me. Now we have a lot of remedies where it is written that the cough, the coryza travels in the chest. But the uniqueness of this lady was, which I repertorized, was cold easily. She takes cold very easily, which extends to the chest. And second was migraine headaches before or after menses. The third symptom was the headache was pulsating, the headache was throbbing, but better by warmth. Now this is a very important symptom, headache better by warmth. And of course, a very important symptom, coryza after eating eggs. Only 4 symptoms I took, and I thought, let's repertorize and see what drug that comes in the repertory chart. And the drug that came also was a very unique drug, a bowel nosode, that was cyanotic compound bacillus. Yes, psychotic compound bacillus, psychotic bowel nosode, a psychotic compound bacillus. I gave to this lady, and all her symptoms vanished. I can say it vanished. I gave her 1 dose and called after a month. In only 1 month's time, it vanished. I took the follow-up of this lady for a year in order to see whether she gets that recurrent cold and that goes in the chest, and she came for a year. I did not repeat psychotic compound for 1 year, and she had no episodes of coryza settling in the chest. She had coryza, she had sardi, she had coryza, but it did not go in the chest. 1 or 2 days coryza and she was normal. This is the magic of psychotic compound, which I gave only 1 dose, and she was happy कि सर अभी मुझे normal इंसान के समान सर्दी होती है. I get coryza like normal people. It comes, it goes automatically, and this is what homeopathy is, and this is how you must prescribe in order to cure a case. Now, psychotic compound, I would like to add few symptoms which I have seen in my practice. A psychotic compound patient always or most of the time will have cracks and fissures below the ear. Below the ear, cracks and fissures is a very important symptom that I have seen, important thing I have seen in patients of this remedy. Secondly, a psychotic compound patients have aversion to vinegar. That I found out in a patient who did not like Chinese because they put a lot of vinegar in it. She had no problem with Chinese food, but vinegar. So they have aversion to vinegar. These 2 symptoms I have confirmed in this remedy. So today I just wanted to share this case, a very rare remedy, a bowel nosode that I prescribed in a case. You must remember the symptoms like cold catches easily, which settles in the chest, migraine headaches before and after menses, egg causes coryza, pulsating throbbing headache better by warmth, cracks and fissures below the ears. This you will notice in lot many of patients. You can see in this lady, they will not tell you, but you can see that cracks and fissures. And remember that it can be a psychotic compound lady, a psychotic compound remedy. And of course, vinegar aversion too. So my friends, today I have shared my experience about psychotic compound. If you also have experience in treating with this drug, please do share. And if you like this video, please do share and subscribe. Thank you.